In this video, I'm going to show you a passive method that you can use to make money online. So all you need is your phone, Wi-Fi, internet connection, and you're good to go. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things affiliate marketing, all things making money online. Alright, so we're going to go to the screen and I'm going to show you the first method to make money online using your phone. So if we look over here, the first website is called moneysmsapp.com. So what essentially this does is you're essentially renting out your phone to Money SMS app, and they send you SMSs or text messages, and all you need to do is receive them, and you don't have to do anything else. You don't need to read the messages, and it doesn't affect any of your existing data on the actual app. So if you scroll down here, one thing that you actually need to note, that you actually need to be aware of, and sorry for anyone that's an iPhone user, is that this is only for Android. So in the next one, I'm going to show you one that you can also use for iPhone. But this one here, so you download the APK to your phone and then you download the app. Okay. So if we scroll down further, we can see here, as I mentioned before, it works on Android. You only need to install the app on your mobile phone, and you get paid just for receiving text messages. And the app doesn't read any of your private messages or use any other data. And then the bonus item that you should always look for whenever you're using a product is, do they have an affiliate program or a referral program? So over here, if you're already making money off this, you can make some more money by referring your friends. And you can see over here, they actually have a two-tier affiliate program, a two-tier affiliate program rather. So what that means is that you get you get a commission for bringing them in, and then any person that they bring in and earn 30% from their earnings. So any person that they bring in, you also get 30%. So this is a very good app if you want to make some money online. But I just have to mention as well though that with Money SMS app, you're not gonna make significant amounts of money. It's just passive money. I mean, you just install it on your phone and then money comes in. You're not gonna make big amounts of money. You need to work you would need to work harder than that to make the big money, but it is some money. Any money is good money, right? Alright, so the second one is called Make Money. So you can see over here the site is called 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗥/Make Money. It's essentially the same thing as the previous app, where you install it on your phone and you essentially are able to receive text messages for money. It's essentially the exact same thing. I actually said earlier that this app is available on Apple, on iPhone, so I was actually wrong. This is also an Android phone. I think iPhone is very particular with the apps that they allow onto their phones, but this is a completely safe app as well. So you can see here, same as the previous app, earn cash, works on Android, secure. You can look at those privacy policy, the privacy policy and terms and conditions as well if you want to have a look at that. It's exactly the same thing. So you can even install both of these apps onto your phone, and then from there you'd be able to earn double the amounts just from receiving text messages. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for the algorithm so that the video can go out to more people. And now my phone is ringing. It's time to go. It's time to go. Alright guys, so make sure that you're on the lookout for my next videos, my upcoming videos. With that being said, stay healthy, stay focused, and stay tuned. Bye guys.